Ladies and gentlemen, I really think Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins are about to bottom out. So this is one of the reasons why I really hope that you guys have been dollar cost averaging, or rather you are ready to start dollar cost averaging, because the bottom is absolutely near. And I really think a lot of you are kind of losing hope because everything has sort of lost its value. I mean, if you talk about the altcoins, right? A lot of altcoins have entirely lost more than 50% of their value, 70%, some even 100%. So a lot of you are obviously dying in anguish at this particular moment. But I'm here to let you know that the cryptocurrency markets are about to have a major turnaround. So as you can see, right, everything is absolutely cheap at this particular moment. Bitcoin is trading at 47,800. Ethereum is back below 4,000 US dollars, and pretty much all the metaverse coins are absolutely cheap. I talk about Axie, Infinity, and all that stuff. Everything is absolutely affordable. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, guys, the bear market isn't really going to happen immediately. We still have one more super pump to happen. I really believe that the price of Bitcoin is definitely going to go to 100,000 US dollars, and we are probably and potentially going to go above that particular threshold. So this particular, correction that we had with regards to Bitcoin, right? So let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin at this particular moment. So this particular correction is a simple pullback. It is nothing extraordinary. Come on, guys, we have been through this over and over and over and over again, and this is something that you guys shouldn't even be afraid of. So take a look at where we were with regards to the previous all-time high, and take a look at where we are trading. So we are absolutely in course, to going above this particular previous all-time high, which was around almost 69,000 US dollars. And I really believe that now the markets are beginning to sort of bottom out. So in case you guys are wondering, worst case scenario for me is for the price of Bitcoin to sort of get into this particular box. Remember this particular box that we sort of broke out of a while back, right? Ever since we had this nasty correction, right, we obviously broke out of it and we started having our price pump towards the top. So in my opinion, if the price of Bitcoin is going to go further below, right, which I believe, and I really believe that this is a very high probability, right, then the worst case is probably going to be using this particular area as support. So I really believe this area is going to be very significant because we used it once, right, and probably we're going to retest. So this is what I've done, ladies and gentlemen, and I know for all the people who follow my YouTube channel, you guys already know yourselves, the usual suspects. You guys already have been wondering, where the hell is Muna? What the hell happened to his YouTube channel? Did he scam us? Did he end up going and all that stuff? Remember, we are investing in the Three Kingdoms, and I really believe that TTK and Chi are absolutely going to do very well. I'm still staking and I'm still holding on to my positions, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding some more positions to my positions to get more gains, because I'm going to have bigger and better positions. So ladies and gentlemen, to all the naysayers out there, your boy Muna is still in the game. I'm still holding on to TTK, the Three Kingdoms. You guys already know what I'm talking about, and I understand you guys probably lost a whole lot of money, well, in case you didn't sell, right, in case you sold. But the biggest gains come to those who wait, and I really believe that you guys are going to enjoy my next upcoming videos. So I have been buying and just adding to my position. Remember what we talked about, right? Dollar cost averaging. So anyway, getting back to BTC, I just wanted to clarify on the Three Kingdoms, because a lot of you were probably wondering and disappointed in me. Look, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't sold any Chi or any TTK tokens. I'm going to show you my staking portfolio, you guys remember my staking portfolio, right? It's intact. I didn't sell anything, so I'll let you guys know exactly what's going on with regards to the Three Kingdoms. So yeah, anyway, getting back to, we'll talk about the Three Kingdoms a little bit later. So let's talk about BTC at this particular moment. So this is what I've done, ladies and gentlemen. Look, I have some sort of narrative. Let's say, for example, we get back to 42,000 US dollars, right? I'm going to add to my position, okay? And worst case scenario, if we drop to around 37,000 US dollars, right? Between 39 and 37,000 US dollars, I'll add another position. Then the very worst case scenario is obviously going to be going to 30,000 US dollars. But I really believe that is highly impossible. It is impossible, you know. It's highly, you know, unlikely in simpler terms. So basically what I decided to do is I decided to get back into several positions. And this is a very risky trade because I sort of bought back here. Because remember, I've got like several dollar cost averaging areas. Okay, so this is basically me getting back into the game because a while back I sort of got out of my trades, a lot of my trades except for the Three Kingdoms. Okay, I got out from a lot of my trades, a lot of my altcoin trades, like around this particular area. And we've been going down, so that was a very good trade. So ever since I sold around this particular area, 59,000 US dollars, I haven't bought anything major. But now, yesterday, I did make my first entry around that 46,000 US dollars. Okay, 46,300, that was my average entry. So in case the price of Bitcoin ends up dropping to 42, guess what I'm going to be doing? Your boy is definitely going to be hustling and adding more to my position. And in case the price goes to 39,000 US dollars per BTC, guess what your boy is going to be doing? Your boy is going to be buying a whole lot of BTC, a whole lot of different alternative cryptocurrencies. So definitely I simultaneously invested in altcoins, you know, because I told you what to do, right? Usually there's a correlation between BTC and a whole lot of different alternative cryptocurrencies. Now that you guys already know what I did and what I'm going to be doing in the next coming few days, right, in case the price continues dropping, then you guys obviously understand that I have been buying other alternative cryptocurrencies as well, such as sand. You know, yesterday I did buy a little bit of sand. I did dollar cost average right around this particular area, around $4.57. And guess what happened? Yes, baby, we did get that sweet juicy bounce. And right now, I really believe it's obviously going to sort of continue propelling towards the upside and just doing its thing. So remember, in case the price of Bitcoin drops, then I'm going to be adding to my position. So in case the price of Bitcoin goes to 47, right? In case the price of Bitcoin goes to 42,000 US dollars per BTC, then best believe sand and all the other altcoins that I bought are obviously also going to be dropping as well. So I'm also going to be adding to my sand position, my mana position as well, because I've got both sand, mana, the Three Kingdoms, Mbox, and all these other interesting play to earn type of cryptocurrencies. So basically, today's moral of the story is, look, ladies and gentlemen, your boy has been hustling for the past 2 weeks, but you know, I just didn't want to update you guys because I knew that the markets were going to be shitty and the markets weren't really going to be very motivating, and a lot of people usually do not like red days. So you know, I was just chilling and working on some other businesses and just doing some other stuff. But I'm back and I'll be here on a daily basis. This time around, I'm actually going to be sick with it, and I'm going to be giving you regular uploads, and we're just going to revitalize the YouTube channel. And I really want to see the Three Kingdoms do very well, so I'm definitely going to be back on the Three Kingdoms, and I really believe that the team is going to be doing a whole lot. So anyway, I really hope that you guys get the the moral of the story for today. So basically, the moral of the story is we are almost bottoming out. If we haven't yet bottomed, then we are close to the bottom. So the smartest thing that you can do is begin dollar cost averaging. If you got some money on the side, this is the right time to sort of start dollar cost averaging, because we are about to have a market turnaround. So the levels that you're supposed to be looking forward to dollar cost averaging some more are obviously 42,000 US dollars, and then, you know, between 37,000 and 39,000 US dollars per BTC. So those are going to be my other dollar cost averaging entry levels. So whenever BTC sort of does its thing on those particular levels, right, you can always buy whatever altcoins you guys are eyeing out, because there's a direct correlation. There's a high probability that if Bitcoin bottoms, a whole lot of these different alternative cryptocurrencies are also going to end up bottoming out as well. Exactly. So guys, do not overcomplicate anything. So remember what I told you, right? This is my baby right over here. This is you know, what I really think is going to make me a lot of money. The Three Kingdoms. So you know, right now the market cap is around $6.3 million US dollars, and this is an easy 100x. Okay, if it does a 10x, it's going to be 63 million US dollars, which is absolutely easy, you know. So I really believe that the team is holding off with regards to a lot of updates, because it doesn't really make any sense for the team to sort of give us all these updates, the different seasons, etc, because the markets are really they're really bad at this particular moment. So no matter what type of good news the team sort of releases at this particular moment, it's not really going to bring forth any fruits, if you know what I'm saying. So it's better for them to wait for the markets to sort of you know, become bullish, and then they're going to be able to sort of give us all that exciting stuff. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe 10 cents is a very good bargain, and I really believe if the price goes to around 7 cents, that's going to be like an absolute kill. So ladies and gentlemen, your boy hasn't abandoned you. I didn't go anywhere, and I still believe in this particular project, and I really believe that the team is going to deliver. I hope, because, you know, I'm really like putting in a lot of money in this particular project. So the team has to definitely, you know, just stick around and, you know, make everybody rich. Just do the right bloody thing. That's it. Shouldn't be that hard, you know. So and in case you guys are saying, look, the Three Kingdoms has lost a lot of value. It's lost almost, you know, I don't know, 50% of its value or more. Well, everything has dropped in value. Take a look at Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity was trading, what was the all-time high? The all-time high of Axie Infinity was around 168. Okay, it's lost around, you know, more than $65 in value. So everything has dropped, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at AVAX. AVAX has also dropped as well. If you take a look at AVAX, the previous all-time high was around 144. Well, it's 103 at this particular moment. Well, it's not really that bad, but I mean, relatively speaking, you know, it also dropped in value as well. So all these other smaller coins are even going to perform worse, if you know what I'm talking about. So let's take a look at Alice. Alice also ended up dropping because it went to around $23. Now it's around $13. So everything has dropped, ladies and gentlemen. So there's nothing sinister. It's just like a regular pullback. You know, I'm sure you guys remember when we were trading around this particular level, right? Everything was down. AVAX was down, and then when the prices started pumping, everything resumed pumping. So moral of the story is this is a very good area, and I really like this price action. So I did end up buying and making my first position. I am prepared to sort of add to my positions if we drop to around 42,000 US dollars. If we end up dropping to 42,000 US dollars, I'm probably going to be buying here. And then if we continue dropping, I'm probably going to end up buying around this particular level. So this is the quick update that I had for you, ladies and gentlemen, because it's been a while since I uploaded on this particular YouTube channel, and I'm sure you guys have been wondering where I have been and if I, you know, sort of forgot about you guys. I didn't forget about you. It's just that I wanted the markets to sort of, stabilize. And this time around, I really believe we are close to the bottom. Okay, so in case we're going to end up dropping, it's not really going to be that substantial, and we just have like a little bit of downside at this particular moment. So yeah, I'm back. Your boy is back. And this time around, we're going to do something different. We're going to revitalize my YouTube channel, and we're going to make a whole lot of noise on this particular cryptosphere, if you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, talk to you a little bit later. Subscribe, hit the like button, drop me all the recommendations. And by the way, I am hunting for coins at this particular moment. I'm hunting for cryptocurrency projects, especially with regards to the play to earn / metaverse universe. This is what I'm interested in. So ladies and gentlemen, if you know some good games out there that have got a working product, a reliable team, and some crazy tokenomics, please let your boy know, because man, we need to devour these investments and these opportunities, because there won't be any other opportunity. And remember, in January, the Asians are going to be having their celebrations, specifically the Chinese people. So you know what usually happens? There's usually a super pump. So I really believe all the American people sort of got rid of their tax expenses or their sort of withdrawals with regards to preparing for the festive season. I think the price has already been priced in. The momentum has already catered for that particular downside, and this is one of the reasons why I really believe that the Asians are about to pump the prices one more time. So yeah, I'll talk to you a little bit later. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10X, and you guys have been awesome. Thank you, and I'll talk to you. Bye.